guys, what is up? It's Amy, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an everyday makeup routine. So especially because I'm running into class, I thought it'd be a great idea to kind of show you guys my actual like real life makeup routine. Oh my god, I think I'm wearing the same sweater as my makeup collection video. So this is where all my makeup is housed. I will have my makeup collection linked on the screen, whichever direction it is, so you guys can see all of my makeup that I own. But today I'm just going to be doing a quick kind of get ready with me for school, what I wear to school, all that kind of good stuff. Okay, so the first thing that I always do is put on some moisturizer because it's very important in terms of like skincare. And I know I really need to get into sunscreen, and I've been doing my research trying to find a good sunscreen that I can wear, especially because the sunscreens that I've used in the past have always been super ashy and not great for my skin tone. So I'm kind of taking my time and trying to see if I can find a really good quality but affordable sunscreen to use on my face, because it's really important in terms of skincare and also just like skin health in general. So for now I've just been using moisturizer, and this is just a Cetaphil one that was in my makeup collection, obviously. So the next step that I usually have in my makeup routine is of course foundation, because I have so many dark spots and like acne marks all over my face, so we gotta cover that up. I feel like in terms of skincare, when I was younger, my skincare routine was like trash slash non-existent. I would always like sleep with my makeup and then take it off in the morning when it was like too late. So that was always like not great for my skin. So I think that's like the reason that my skin is trash right now. But I've been trying to fix it over the past couple years, but it takes a while to like get your skin back to where it was, you know? So I've been really working hard on my skin and trying to do skincare and all that kind of stuff. And down below I can link to you guys some of the resources that I have been using that have been helpful, some of the videos that I watched that gave me just really great information on skincare and keeping your skin just like looking flawless. So right now my skin obviously is not flawless like you saw at the beginning of this video, but it definitely has been improving, and I definitely see a change in like the frequency of pimples. Obviously it like waxes and wanes. Like I'm actually on my period right now, so I got a couple like you can see a couple like on my cheek over here, and I feel like that is a result of my hormones and not my skincare routine, because my skincare routine recently has been impeccable, just like golden. So the next kind of action that I will take in my everyday makeup routine is to put some eyeshadow. And so what I've been doing recently that I really like is, this is the eyeshadow palette that I use, and I take this like this one right here. It's like a light goldeny brown, not brown, just like a white golden color. It's really sparkly, and I put this on my lid, and I think it just brightens it up, and I just put it all over my lid. Then I take this like dark brown color, and this goes into my crease. I've been doing this technique, this like color like two-toned eyeshadow look for like since freshman year of college, so like 2 years now, and I really like it. I actually think I started in high school, to be honest, but I just think it's so simple for every day, and it just gives you just like a nice pop of color and just a nice pop. Makes it look like you're actually trying when you're really not. And the next thing we're going to do is eyebrows, because I lack them. And the way that I've been doing my eyebrows recently, I just want to get them done and over with. So usually what I'll do is brush them all up, kind of like outline the bottom-ish, give myself like a template, and then I brush them down and outline the top, and just turn them into the shape that I want. And then I'll like fill it in with like quick long strokes and then short strokes at the top. So it's like super quick, and I like that versus having to spend like 3 years doing my eyebrows. I feel like one of these days when I get rich, I'm definitely gonna get my eyebrows microbladed, because I definitely want the look of cute brows, but obviously did not get them genetically, and I just hate having to do my eyebrows every day. But I do not have that kind of money yet. But when I do, you best believe I'm gonna invest in cute brows. A lot of people, when they get rich, they invest in like boobs or like a car. I'm gonna invest in eyebrows. That's where my priorities lie. Super simple, super quick, and we love that. So the next thing that I usually like to do, I don't just do this every day, but especially when my skin just needs a pick me up, I'll just put a little bit of concealer in some of the dark spots on my face, and most of it is on my cheeks because I pop cheek pimples so much, so they leave like dark marks. So I've tried to stop doing it, but it's just really satisfying. And I also had a pimple up here that I popped that is gonna turn into a dark mark real quick. So then the final thing that I do is some Vaseline. I just have this huge jar of Vaseline, and I'll just take some and put it on my lips. It's just really simple. And then the final thing is lip gloss, and I just recently started getting into lip gloss. I mean, I have one right now, but when this one's finished, I'm gonna get another one. I used to not be like a big lip gloss person. I was like all the way into like lipsticks and like liquid lipsticks especially. I remember when that was like a huge thing, when all it was like matte liquid lipsticks. But now I just think lip gloss is just super simple. It gives you some glow, some like shimmer, and I think it's cute. And the one that I'm using is from Wet n Wild, and it's like super glitter. And this was great marketing because it's like the Zodiac collection, and I got the Libra one, I believe, and it's just really cute and great marketing on their part. So this is my everyday makeup routine. Let me go up to the window actually. So as you can see, it's super natural and simple. I don't like putting on too much makeup every day because it's not great for your skin, and also takes way too much time for what you get out of it. So I don't put that much time into my makeup routine, but I just like, I don't know, it just makes me feel more confident in my skin and how I look. So that's why I wear makeup. But you do you, and do exactly what you need to do to make yourself feel comfortable and confident every single day. And if you enjoyed this video, of course subscribe, and then comment down below any other video requests you have. I really enjoyed making this video, even though it's a little bit of a outside of the videos I normally make, but it's still fun. So that was it for today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.